original father and the grandfather. Okay, pleasant good morning to everyone. Today, we gather not only to celebrate success, but to honor the remarkable journey of this dedication, sacrifice, and perseverance. The University of Northern Philippines College of Medicine proudly congratulates its 110 successful passers of the March 2026 Physicians Licensure Examination. A historic achievement that reflects the excellence, resilience, and commitment of our future physicians. These milestones stands as a testament to the countless hours of study, the sleepless nights, the silent battles, and the unwavering faith carried each one of you toward this moment of triumph. Today, you have proven that dreams when matched with determination and purpose become a reality. We likewise extend our highest commendation to our top 10 placer, Dr. Angela A. Arma, whose outstanding achievement has brought immense pride and honor to the university. Your excellence serves as an inspiration to aspiring physicians and a shining reflection of the quality of education and training upheld by your institution. To our newly licensed physicians, may you carry forward the values of compassion, integrity, humility, and service as you embark on the noble mission of healing and caring of humanity. The white coat you wear today symbolizes not only knowledge and achievement, but also a responsibility, hope, and a promise to serve with honor. Once again, congratulations, doctors of UNP College of Medicine. Your success is now part of the enduring legacy of this institution, and your journey will continue to inspire generations to come. Thank you. Good morning. Now, I have the honor to present the 110 new physicians who passed the March 2026 Physicians Licensure Examination. Dr. Liberty Aclawili from Las Piñas City, Metro Manila. Dr. Prisma Grace S. Agustin